In today's video, I'm going to show you how to remove green screen and add a background on Filmora 15. If you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing. You can see I have already opened Filmora on my PC. Or now I click on import. I open this file for my project. Okay, this is the timeline. Now it's going on second. That's good. Now first of all, select this image, then going on this image and AI mating. Here I found its chroma key. Then select color. I need to choose its green color. You can see green background. I need to select this green color. Wow, it's excellent working right now. Now again going on full stock media. Here is a lots of pre-made already background. Just drag and drop on timeline. It's working. Now just download as a PNG file. Here's a lots of format. You need to choose its PNG or JPG. Then export. That's it. Thanks for watching. See you again. Take care. Goodbye.